Good evening, all of you. My name is Kabul. I am studying in third class. Today, telling President of India, Rajendra Prasad, 1915-1962, Radhakrishnan, 1962-1967, J.K. Rasul, 1967-1969, V.V. Giri, 1969, 1974, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, 1974, 1977, Sanjeeva Reddy, 1977, 1982, Yani Jai Singh, 1982, 1987, Venkata Ramana, 1987, 1992, Shankar Daya Sharma, 1992, 1997, K.R. Narayan, 1997, 2002, APJ Abdul Kalam, 2002, 2007, Pardhabal Patil, 2007, 2012, Pranab Mukherjee, 2012, 2017, Ramnath Kovind, 2017, 2022, Draupadi Murmu, 2022, present.